Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So tags help your marketplace listing appear in more searches. By adding relevant keywords, you increase your chances of reaching the right buyers faster. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add tags to a marketplace listing in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what adding tags means. So adding tags allows you to appear in more keyword searches, highlights brand or model, increase listing exposure, and improve buyer targeting. So tags act like search keywords. So first thing first, open your Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon here in the button on the desktop, click the marketplace from the left sidebar. Okay, so now I want you to tap sell, okay, and tap create new or create listing. Okay, so now in order to put some keywords or tags, you have to have at least one listing. Okay, so let's do a listing here. Okay, for example, you have to add pictures. Okay, and then you have tags. Okay, so look for tags or keywords. So in some versions, tags are added within the description area. So type a keyword, tap to confirm or press enter. Add multiple relevant tags, for example, brand name, Nike, model, for example, iPhone 15, or condition like new. Okay, and keep tags short and specific, and then tap save or publish. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.